Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, it's today's recipe is the one which is very famous and interesting, very delicious. I let you to know what it is until the last minute. So, today's for that I've used 1 cup of semolina or Bombay Rava. For that I've used 2 tablespoons of ghee and we need to fry it nicely until that smell aroma comes. So when it is done, fried completely and take it off. In the same pan, I'll be adding 2 cups of water. For that 2 cups of water, let it boil and I'll be adding 3 cloves and cinnamon powder. A spoon of cinnamon powder or 1/4 tablespoon also according to the flavor you can use. So when it is boiling the water, when the water is boiling, we'll be adding a small amount of food color. It is not mandatory, but as your wish, if you want you can add a pinch of food color for the fragrance and around 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence and pineapple essence. If you want any one of that you can add vanilla essence or pineapple essence. So for pineapple essence it will give the best flavor. Instead of vanilla, you can, for the best flavor, you need to add pineapple essence. So for that, now whatever the semolina we have fried, that we'll be adding here and mix it for 1 to 2 minutes, let it cook. After it is done, we'll be adding around 1/4 cup of 3/4 cup of sugar, and that sugar will enhance the semolina over that and it gives just a crystal clear roughy texture of the semolina. So, and I hope you got what it is. It is called as Kesari Bath from the north side, and North Karnataka. It is called also called